I had so many requests asking how I make French meringue. Well, today I'm going to show you. I'm using room temperature egg whites. I place them in a mixing bowl of my stand mixer. I'm using glass bowl specifically to show you how to make this French meringue. So I'm placing in a stand mixer and I'm gonna start my mixer on a low speed. I'm using KitchenAid and it's speed 2 usually. And I have my white granulated sugar measured. And I usually put in a cup and I'm gonna be using just a regular spoon. So we have to start mixer. You're gonna be using low speed. You have to wait until your egg white is gonna look like a shaving cream. You have to make sure that all egg whites are whipped. It's gonna take a few minutes before you see all this egg white looks like a shaving cream. And I will stop my mixer. I'm gonna show you when you can start adding white sugar. I'm gonna show you from this angle. When you whip egg whites, you look on the bottom of your mixing bowl and you have to make sure there is no egg whites left. They should look like a shaving cream. When you see egg whites looking like a shaving cream and you check the bottom of the mixing bowl and you see there is no liquid yellow egg whites left, at this point you can start adding white granulated sugar. I like to use just a regular tablespoon and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon at a time. Please note, I'm not changing speed of the mixer. I'm still using the low speed of my mixer. And I'm keep adding the white granulated sugar. If you don't want to use a tablespoon, you can do like this. Just don't put white granulated sugar at once. You have to put in like 5-7 parts. With using tablespoon, it's always helpful. You add white granulated sugar and you wait a few seconds. Then you add more. This is important part to build really good structure of the French meringue. I have a little bit of white sugar left. I added the last part. And right now I'm gonna change the speed of the mixer to 4. And I'm gonna start my timer. And just wait. The time is up. It's been 15 minutes. And now I'm gonna stop my mixer. And as you see on a whisk, this how it looks. It's shiny, it's stable. This is French meringue. You can use to make macarons or other desserts. You see, it's very, very stable. That's how it looks. Thank you for watching.